Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here with jrfisher.com, and this video is about how to build your business without spending any money on ads and without creating any content whatsoever. Before I get to that, let me share a little story with you. When I was a kid, I'm going to take you back to the olden days. When I was a kid, if I wanted to meet somebody after school, here's what we did. First off, we had to find some time, between classes, and then we would say, hey, let's meet at the mall, right? Let's meet at the mall at, let me think of an old place, Orange Julius, okay? And let's be there at 5 o'clock. We'll meet up there at the mall at 5 o'clock. That was what we had to do. It's insane, right? Now, you've got this phone that does insane things for you. Unbelievable things. And you can set that up instantly, right? You can do it instantly. You can actually, on your phone, if you have that geolocations turned on, you can find out where your friends are all around you right now. It's amazing. And yet, people still complain. They still complain. The number two things I hear, these are the two things that I hear that really, really hurt people's business. I don't have any money for ads, and I don't want to have to create any content. That's like saying, I want to swim, but I don't want to get any water on me. I don't want that to happen. There's only two ways to build your business. Now, you obviously clicked on this and you're watching this, and you know what that headline was. The headline was what? How to build your business without spending any money on ads or creating any content. You can't do it. It's impossible. You can't do it. How's anybody going to find you? But here's the cool thing. Back when I was a kid, if I went to the mall and I stood by the Orange Julius there and I waited to see if any of my friends were there, I could wait for days or weeks or months and they would never show up because it just didn't work out. But nowadays, what can you do? You could shoot a video. You could shoot a video, and it doesn't have to be on screen. If you don't want to be on screen, that's fine too. You don't have to be on screen. But you could shoot a video of a PowerPoint. You could voice over it. You could put pictures up. You could do whatever. You can gain somebody's attention and stick it online. And how much does that cost you? Outside of the internet connection, which I've been using Starbucks all morning, so that was free, it doesn't cost you anything. It costs you some of your time. So when I hear people say, I don't want to spend money on ads and I don't want to create any content, I'm like, well, you don't want to do anything. You don't want to do anything, right? And you think of the people who have done stuff online, and Justin Bieber, you could like him, love him, hate him, whatever, I don't care one way or another. But, in 2007, he was discovered online because he was doing a cover of somebody else's song and somebody saw it. It's amazing, right? I mean, look at his career now, it's huge. Take another one, Katy Perry. 2008, she was nobody, but she was putting videos online on YouTube. Got discovered, somebody saw her. And I could go on and on and on. Matter of fact, if you Google how many celebrities started on YouTube, which I did, there's hundreds of them, hundreds of people. Now I don't know all of them, but the point is this: you've got to do one or two things if you want to grow your business. There's no way that you can't do one of these two things. I'm looking at Sally Boy Lombardo. Hey there, how you doing? I'm trying to drive down the street, and when the people pop up on here, it's so hard to see the names because it's kind of far away. I got this little bracket here. But if you want to grow your business, if you seriously want to grow your business, you've got two choices. And I don't think the first choice is the best one. The first choice is to run ads. Now, why is that not the best one? Because you're running ads to people who don't know anything about you, and you're asking them for money. And that's really hard to get people to do. And the second thing is put content out there. Every company now has to be a publishing company. Every company. You've got to publish. You've got to have content. You got to be on one or two or more of these platforms. You got to be on Facebook. You got to be on Twitter. You got to be on YouTube. That's how people are going to get to know you, by putting out content. Whatever you're selling, whatever product, whatever service you've got, if you don't put out content, nobody gets to know you. See, they want to test you now. And this they've been trained about this. They've been trained that they're going to get free content from companies before they have to buy anything. You know, and I can't count how many clients that I've gotten that's bought my courses or, you know, joined my group or whatever because they saw a video I did. A simple video. I just shared an idea, something I learned along the way. Nothing special, right? I don't think my stuff's any more special than anybody else, but I share it. And if you don't share what you've got, nobody's going to ever hear it, and they won't know you. So how do you grow your company without spending any money on ads and not creating any content? You don't. And you quit looking for it, okay? Quit looking for that. It's simple. You've got YouTube, you've got Facebook. There's people there. Put something out that's worthwhile. If you have something that's worthwhile, people are going to respond. They're going to buy your products. They're going to buy your service if you have something that's worthwhile. Now, if you're sitting back saying, well, I don't really have anything worthwhile, get something worthwhile. It's not that hard to do. You say, well, I don't know anything, JR. I don't know about this. Google it. Go to YouTube. Watch videos on it. Learn it. Share it. If you learn it and share it and you add your personality to it, people will buy what you got because you shared first. The old saying, you got to give before you take. And when you do that, there's that reciprocity there where people feel like they owe you. The only way they can pay you back if they don't know you is buy your products or services. So don't try to grow your business without spending any money on ads and without developing any content. It's not going to work. You'll fail, okay? So what you do have to do is put out content, but here's the cool thing about it. You can do it for free. Do it for free, okay? Anywhere in the world. You can sell your products anywhere in the world. So I just want to share that with you today. Feel free to leave a comment below. If you like this video, share it with somebody else. Yeah, so that's my words for the day. Hope that helps you out. And I hope you don't keep looking for ways not to do anything. You've got to do something, right? Okay, I'll talk to you soon.